Here it comes. The newest version of America's most popular car. The classically stunning Olds Cutlass Supreme. Makes you think the Cutlass mystique was created entirely on style alone.
MIKEGTV. Alright, it's the day after I put those half moons on my headlights and I did the brake holes. I was going to order the caliper, but I went online and seen that O'Reilly's, AutoZone, and Advance got remanufactured ones for like $27 with a $10 core charge. So you bring the old one back, you get $10 back.
That's awesome.
So I'm just gonna do that. I need this thing fixed. I need it working right. Tomorrow is the Puerto Rican festival, and I want to go with my car. And I know tonight's gonna be crazy on Broad Street, so I'm trying to ride tonight. So I'm on my way right now to O'Reilly's to pick up the new car. Well, the remanufactured caliper. And I'm gonna put it on real quick. I already did the holes. The holes was a little bit of a pain because the clip, I couldn't get the clip that holds it into the bracket off. But I ended up taking the whole bracket off and getting that done. So doing this caliper, all I gotta do is take the wheel off, take the caliper off, take the caliper brake holes off and put it in a new one, bleed the brakes, put the tire back on, and I'm all set. It shouldn't take that long. Hopefully not. The sun's not out today. It's hot, but the sky is all cloudy, so the sun's not going to be beating on my... The sun was beating on my neck yesterday, but it's cooler than it was yesterday, so that's a good thing. But yeah, let me get to this O'Reilly's and get this new remanufactured brake caliper. I almost forgot to record. I'm almost done with the job. But this is the old one right here. The problem is this is not pushing back. So I know it's no good. I can fix it, but I don't got time for that, so I just bought another one. This piston is not going back in. It's coming out, but it's not going back in. It's the new one right here. I clamped the line so the fluid doesn't come out, because yesterday it was crazy, fluid everywhere. So I gotta get the crush washer, the new one. Put it on, then put the holes. Then the crush washer and the bulb. I noticed that these right here, the old ones, are different size than these ones, the new one. So hopefully my friend's home and he'll bring that out to me. I could take this off now. got dirt in the bleeder thing, so take that out right now. What I'm gonna do is just put the brake pads back in since the piston's already pushed back all the way. I know I need brake pads, but they're in the mail. I ordered them. And that's an easy job anyway. Right now, I just need to be driving my car. About to call him because I don't know, he never answered back about the Allen wrench. I hope he's home, but I don't want to put the bottom one on yet because I gotta give him this so he can give me the right size. But I'm gonna open up the bleeder and let that get it. Let that get into the caliper, the brake fluid. It was a 10 millimeter wrench, but I don't know what I did with that. Alright, I got the 10 millimeter wrench. What I'm gonna do is open up the bleeder. And let it I'm gonna let that drip for a while. I gotta call my neighbor, see if he's home, because I don't think I have a smaller one of these on me. It should have been the same size. The old one was a T55. I don't know, maybe the new one is a T50. I'm not sure, but it's starting to leak, you see? So that's good. Maybe the new one is a T50, I'm not sure, but I gotta find out. So let me go and call him because I want to get this done. I don't know if it's gonna rain today or what, but it's just a little too big. Yes, I don't know. I'll check my trunk and see if I got any, but let me do that and I'll be right back. Alright, I got the size. It's a 3/8. This is different. This ain't the hex one like I got over here. So 3/8. I lost it already. Done with that. Thanks. Now all I gotta do is bleed the brake. Alright, once again I forgot to turn on the camera, but I bled the brakes. You can see all the fluid on the floor. I tightened those. You've seen that. Gonna put the tire on now. Bring these guys over here. The reason why I changed the holes is because it's a good thing I did though, because you seen the crack in it, and I don't know if it was the last video or this video. So that was cracked. But I changed the holes because my friend said 90% of the time it's the brake holes and not the caliper. So me buying the brake holes was cheaper. It was only $10. But it ended up being the caliper. Yeah. This thing's leaking all over the place. But it just won't go back in. It will come out, but it won't go back in. Like I said, I could fix it. All you gotta do is blow air in here, pop this out, and clean in there, and change this seal. And then there's a square seal in there. But it's not worth it. $25 or $27 is what I paid for the remanufactured caliber, so it's not even worth trying to fix that thing. I checked on Rock Auto. The repair kit, it comes with the 2 gaskets. It's only $5 for each caliber, so it's cheap. It's cheap to do. Like I said, you got to change this seal, and there's another seal inside, and you got to clean it real good. But I'm trying to ride tonight, and I'm tired of sitting in I'm tired of this car being parked because of my wheels overheating. When I got home at night from work, I touched my wheel and it is like really hot. So I knew something was wrong. The way I found out is I went to my friend's house and I went to go clean my wheels. And when I sprayed this one, it was steaming. That's how I figured out that something was wrong, and it ended up being this. Alright, job's done. I'm going to drive the car and see what's up. It should be good, hopefully. But thanks for watching the video. MIKEGTV signing off. Like, share, subscribe. Till next time, see you later.